In many cases, you can eliminate leaks on weigh knife gate valves yourself. First, identify the location of the leak. Is the valve leaking at the gate outlet on the top, at the side between the body halves, or is it leaking in the bore? Leakage at the gate outlet can occur if the knife gate valve was improperly installed. The pipe must lie freely against the knife gate valve and must not be pulled against the fitting. Loosen the flange screws and repeat the installation according to the instruction manual. A leak can also occur if the pressure of the transverse seal on the valve gate is too low. The transverse seal can be repacked during operation. Open the valve. Clean and grease the gate. If the valve continues to leak, it must be removed and the seal needs to be replaced. This should stop the leakage. Leakage between the body halves can also be caused by improper installation. Repeat the installation according to the instruction manual. If the leak still occurs, the round cord on the transverse seal is probably damaged. Remove the valve and replace the seals. This should stop the leak. If there is a leak in the valve bore, you should first check whether the valve gate is completely closed. Open the knife gate valve slightly and repeat the closing process. Make sure that no solids are trapped between the gate and the body. If the leak still occurs, the seal in the bore is most likely damaged. Remove the valve and replace the seals. In the case of pneumatically or hydraulically operated knife gate valves, a loose counter-nut on the piston rod may be the cause of the leak. Set the stroke of the valve correctly and tighten the counter-nut firmly. For electrically operated knife gate valves, check the limit switches and readjust them according to the manufacturer's instructions. This should stop the leakage. In the event of a leak, always check whether the operating conditions correspond to the specifications on the type plate of your valve. If you need help with the repair, please contact our support team. We are here for you.